Hey, good day. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter, with today's Kernel of Wisdom. Leaders are never born. They are always built, maybe by situation, opportunity, or wise counsel. The first priority in significant leadership is always to replace oneself. Significant leaders are constantly looking for the spark of potential in everyone they lead and everyone they encounter, mentoring leadership qualities in others, and recognizing who's rising to the top, like cream. Knowing when someone is ready for more responsibility leadership wise and offering that in metered doses helps to build confidence in emerging leaders, and it empowers them to take on an even more substantial role in the future. It's the leader's job to give them more responsibility and to allow them to struggle under that responsibility just a little bit. Doing so allows them to build leadership muscles in a safe environment where they can learn and grow to be a significant leader. Now, by the same token, seeing when someone is not quite ready for more responsibility is equally important. Being handed leadership responsibility too soon can undermine someone's confidence and prevent them from believing in themselves when the time is right. In such a situation, significant leaders know to take the opportunity to spend more time and keep a stronger metaphorical hand on the people until they're better prepared. Helping others grow is one of life's most noble adventures. And guiding and building new significant leaders is the single most important duty of a leader. That's why number 9 in our 9 essentials of significant leadership, perhaps the most important one, is work for your replacement. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter. Have a great day.